WallSentinel is a cBot that combines external algo trend data, options walls and gamma, technical filters, EMA plus multi-time frame RSI, adaptive logic based on market regime, and professional risk management on single trades and baskets. General. Bot mode. Trading, the bot opens and manages trades. Bias only, displays analysis and levels, does not open trades. Volume, lots. Base position size. It may be automatically reduced if algo trend suggests half or quarter size. Debug log. Enables detailed logs in the cTrader journal panel. Display. Show info panel. Displays the on-chart information panel with market regime, bias, distance from walls, RSI data, and open positions. Display panel position. Vertical panel position, top, bottom. Horizontal position, left, center, right. Font size, text size in the panel. Data. Refresh seconds. How often the bot refreshes algo trend data, gamma walls, bias, regime. Filters. Use EMA filter. Enables the EMA trend filter. EMA period, moving average period, default 200. RSI filter system, multi-time frame. Use RSI filter. Enables the RSI filter. RSI time frame used to calculate RSI, can be different from chart time frame. RSI period, RSI calculation period. RSI overbought/oversold, overbought and oversold levels. RSI trading logic, standard, classic RSI logic. Counter, prefers reversal setups. Adaptive, adjusts to bias plus walls plus regime. Use RSI for bias confirmation. Algo trend bias must align with RSI. Trade with RSI, bias match. Opens trades only when RSI confirms the bias. Trade counter RSI, bias opposite, allows contrarian trades against RSI. Require RSI extreme for counter. For counter trend trades, RSI must be in an extreme zone. Wall proximity, pips, maximum distance from a wall level to consider it active. Stop loss calculation. SL calculation method, based on walls, SL placed behind gamma support or resistance, fixed pips, fixed SL, ATR based, volatility based dynamic SL. Fixed SL distance, fixed stop-loss distance. ATR multiplier for SL, ATR multiplier for dynamic SL. Auto SL buffer, extra buffer behind the wall. Max spread, pips, prevents trading when spread is too high. Min distance gamma, minimum distance from gamma wall to avoid entries that are too close. Risk management. Max SL distance, maximum allowed stop-loss distance. Min/max TP distance, minimum and maximum take profit range. Risk/reward ratio, R/R ratio used when TP is not based on gamma wall. Use gamma as TP, uses gamma wall as take profit target. Use fixed TP, fixed take profit value. Risk and pyramiding. Position control mode, one trade per bias, only one position per direction. Pyramiding, adds positions while in profit. Max long/short positions, maximum number of positions per direction. Pyramiding step, pips, minimum distance before adding new positions. Max daily trades, daily trade limit. Max daily loss percent, stops trading if daily loss exceeds the threshold. Max equity drawdown percent, stops trading if equity drawdown exceeds the threshold. Single trade management. Use single break even, moves SL to break even. BE trigger, profit in pips required to activate BE. BE offset, locked in profit after BE. Use trailing stop, enables dynamic trailing stop. Trailing start, when trailing begins. Trailing distance, distance of trailing stop from price. Basket management, manages multiple positions as a single operation. Use basket TP, closes all positions when total profit reaches a set amount, $. Basket TP amount, total profit target for basket closure. Use basket BE, moves all positions to break even when basket is in profit. Basket BE trigger, profit $, required to activate basket BE. Basket BE offset, basket BE offset in pips. What makes this bot unique? Integrates real options data, gamma, walls, regime. Adaptive logic for range/trend/volatile markets. Intelligent multi-time frame RSI. Dynamic SL based on market structure. All right, now we're watching WallSentinel Live in action. This is not a simple technical bot. It's using real-time options market data, including gamma walls, institutional bias, and market regime, combined with technical filters. On the left side, you can see the bot's control panel, which shows exactly what the system is reading right now. First, the bot identifies the market regime. Right now, we are in trend down, strength 66%. This means the market is in a directional bearish phase with a fairly strong downside pressure. Now let's look at the bias. Bearish, confidence 71%. This bias comes directly from options positioning and tells us that institutional flow is leaning to the downside. A 71% confidence means the signal is solid. Here we see what the algorithm decided based on the current market context. Action, trend follows short. The system is suggesting a short trade following the downtrend. Size, full. Full position size is allowed, meaning conditions are favorable. Reasoning, trend down market with bearish bias. Market structure and options flow are aligned to the downside. Entry logic, support/resistance based. Entries are based on institutional wall levels. This section is basically an institutional market read translated into a trading action. Here are the live levels calculated by the model. Mode, trend following. This is a trend following setup. Expected move, 200.0%. Strong projected move based on gamma structure. Entry reference, 25760.91, the reference price for the model's valid entry zone. Suggested TP, 25245.69. Target aligned with the next structural level. Suggested SL, 26018.52. Stop loss placed beyond protective market structure. These are not fixed numbers. They are dynamically calculated from the option structure. These lines are the options walls, areas where price statistically reacts. From the panel, put main is 4807.4p, major support. Call main is 5366.7p, major resistance. Gamma wall is 17016.4p. The gamma wall acts like a magnetic level where price often slows down or reacts. Here, the bot measures how close price is to important institutional levels. When price enters the configured proximity zone, the system shifts into execution mode. These are real options market statistics used for the analysis. Contracts analyzed, 446. Volume, 194,236. Open interest, 1,408,261. These are not technical indicators. This is real derivatives market data. The system also detects secondary levels. Put intermediate, 3. Call intermediate, 3. And it shows the closest ones. Closest put intermediate, support. Closest call intermediate, resistance. When a trade is triggered, the bot uses this structure to calculate stop loss behind protective structure, take profit toward the next gamma or resistance target. The dashed lines you see on the chart are dynamically calculated SL and TP levels. Once in a trade, the bot automatically moves stop loss to break even, activates trailing stop, can pyramid positions if momentum increases, can close everything using basket management. The system also includes built-in protections. Stops trading after daily loss limit, stops trading after max equity drawdown, blocks trades during high spread. So this isn't just an entry bot, it's a full automated risk manager. So in summary, WallSentinel works like this. REDS reads real-time options data, Brains understands regime and institutional bias, BRICS identifies key institutional levels, graphs calculates probabilistic trade structure, targets enters with advanced logic, SHIELD manages the trade dynamically. It's like having an institutional trader plus risk manager working 24/7 on your chart. Rocket ship. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like and turn on notifications and make sure to follow us on our Discord channel. See you soon in the next educational video from AlgoTrend.